Okay, so we have here our next problem regarding earthworks or regarding holing specifically. So sabi dito, oops, the soil profile of the ground surface along which the center line of the roadway is sloping uniformly at a certain grade. So kapag sloping uniformly po, straight line lang ulit yung ating mass diagram. At station 5 plus 400, the cross-sectional area is 20 square meter in fill, and the finished roadway slopes upward, producing a cross-sectional area of 28.6 square meter in cut at stations 5 plus 850. Stationing of the balancing point is 5 plus 5 plus 650. Okay, the pre-hole distance is 50 meters. The cost of hole is 0.2 meter per station, and the cost of borrow is 4 pesos per cubic meter. Compute the limit of economic hole, compute the stationing of the limits of the pre-hole distance, and then compute the pre-hole volume. Okay? So, first, ikakopy ko muna to ulit kasi baka kapusin ako ng portion. Uy, nahuhugot yung charger ko. Okay? So, i-plot muna natin again. Straight line muna tayo. Our elevation 0. Okay. So, ano-ano yung station na tinutukoy sa atin? So, meron tayong station sa 5 plus 400. So, sabihin ko na lang na ito para medyo na malaki na siya. Okay? So, or lakihan na natin para doon na lang tayo sa other side mag-solve. Okay? So, ito yung 5 plus 400. At ang sabi dito, meron daw tayong fill. So, tambak, mababa. Okay? So, may fill tayo dito na ang height naman niya ay 20 square meter. Okay? Ano pa yung sinabi ng problem? Sa station naman na 5 plus 850, so dito, assuming na ito yung 5 plus 850, meron naman daw tayong fill na 28.6. So ito, 28.6. And then our balancing point kung saan 0, okay, balance yung putol is nasa station 5 plus 650. Okay? So balance tayo dito. This will be our first portion, the cut, or the fill rather. At ito naman yung ating cut. Okay? Again, this is your fill and this is your cut. So, ang pre-hole distance daw natin is 50 meters lang. So, i-assume muna natin yung pwesto ng ating free hole. Okay? So, lalagyan ko ulit ng red. I-shade na lang natin ng red. Okay? So, assuming nasa fill, ito yung pre-hole distance ko. Free hole volume. Okay? Sa cut, ito yung pre-hole volume ko. And then the distance daw between these two portion of our roadway is 50 meters. Ito yung 50 meters na tinutukoy na pre-hole distance. If this is 50 meters, therefore ito would be x at ito naman is magiging 50 minus x. Okay? So, limit of economic hole naman tayo. So, ito mag-a-assume muna ulit ako. Palitan natin ng kulay. Gawin nating light blue. So, ito naman yung aking overhaul volume para sa limit of economic hole. Okay? So, sa kabilang side, ito yan. Okay? So, ito po ngayon, yung tinatawag nating LEH or the limit of our economic hole. LEH. Okay? And then, itong natitira would be the volume of waste. Ito po yung waste. At ito naman po, ay sorry, baliktad po pala si sir. Since fill ito, borrow po ito. Tambak, hihiram tayo ng tambak. And then ito naman po yung ating waste. Since sobra, itatapon po natin. Waste. Okay? And then ito yung ating overhaul. Ito naman yung ating freehold. Okay? So, likewise dito, ito din yung freehold. At ito rin po yung overhaul. Okay? So, puntahan natin yung dimensionings. Okay. Then we have here the total length. Masyadong mababa. Kumpitin muna natin yung kabuuang haba. So, 5,650 minus 5,400, you have here 250. And then, on the other side, you have 5,850 plus 5,650, you have here 200. So, hindi pantay, ha? Okay? Okay? So, itong mga distances, hindi pa natin masosolve for now kasi first is wala naman tayong value ng LEH. Hindi natin alam. Yan nga yung tinatanong. Okay? And the second one is, actually this one we can solve here. Yung X, yun nga lang, we still needed some data. I think kasi wala tayong distance nito. Okay? We do not have the stations. Kaya yan yung isa pang tanong. Okay? So, there will be no other uh, data na maidadagdag tayo. So, kukumpletuhin na lang natin to later on. Solvein muna natin yung LEH, the limit of economical. Wala na tayong maidagdag eh. Okay? Bakit wala na nga tayong maidagdag? Kasi wala na pong ibinigay na station. So, hindi natin makuha yung mga length. If sana merong kahit isang station man lang dito, may makukuha tayong height nito. Okay? So, in our case, wala eh. So, kunin muna natin yung LEH. Magsagot na tayo. So, our LEH, sabi natin, the formula for LEH is CB, the cost of borrow multiplied by C over CH, cost of hold, plus FHD. Freehold distance. Okay? So, ano-ano ba yan? Balikan natin yung formula natin. Yung C is the length of station interval. Okay? Ano-ano ba yung length ng istasyon? Parang wala yatang isinabi doon sa problem. Okay? So, assume 20. I-assume na lang natin 20 kasi walang ibinigay yung problem. Okay? Kapag hindi ibinigay, we assume 20. Meron ba? The profile of the ground at the center line. So, walang ibinigay na length of station tayo. So, C. So, i-assume natin kapag hindi given, C is equivalent to 20. Yung cost of borrow is equivalent to 4 pesos. And the cost of hold is 0.2. Our FHD is 50. Substituting the values, LEH, again kapag hindi binigay yung C use 20, CB is 4 multiplied by 20 meters. Okay? Over CH, 0.2 plus 50. Therefore, the limit of economic hold is yung 20 meter station, ginagamit po yan sa kung bakit laging 20 meters yung ina-assume dito is because every time po na nagle-layout tayo ng mga kalsada, curves, or even, ano pa ba? Curves or parabolic sa curve, 20 meters po talaga yung nagiging hati ng ating mga kalsada, 20 meter station. Okay? So, laging 20 meters kapag ka hindi provided. Okay? So, the limit of our economic hole is 450. Therefore, this is 450. So, right now, hindi pa rin natin masosolve. We still have to solve for the value of x. Okay? So, kaya naman natin yan. So, on the next slide, solvein natin yan using some properties. Paano? Okay? So, we can use the relationship of these two. The volume of this, since pre-hole yung pinag-uusapan, yung volume nito equal sa volume nito. Pangalanan ko na lang po ito na, since para hindi tayo malito, H ito, tapos ito na lang si Y. Pangalanan natin. Okay? So, ano yung volume nito? If this is a triangle, or the area na lang po para hindi na kayo malito. Okay? So, ang volume kasi dito is the area ng mass diagram. Okay? So, the volume in cubic meter is the area ng mass diagram. Okay? Baka malito kayo, sir, anong volume? May triangle lang naman. Okay? Yung tinutukoy ko po kasi is the area of the mass diagram, that would be the volume of earthworks. Alright? So, kapag kinuha ko yung area nitong shaded region na to, ang nako-compute ko po doon is the volume of the freehole. Okay? So, gawin natin yon. Sabi natin, yung area ay volume. So, yung volume on this side, that would be 1/2 ng x times h. 1/2 ng x times h. Okay? Yung area, 1/2 ng x times h. And that would be equal, dapat dito sa 1/2 naman ng y times 50 minus x. 1/2 naman ng y times 50 minus x. Okay, tatlo yung variable. Try nating isulat ito lahat in terms of x, kahit ma-minimize lang natin to into single variable. Lahat in terms of x. Okay, so yung h isosolve natin in terms of x. Paano yon? Using the similar triangle theorem. May malaki akong triangle, which is the field. Okay, and may maliit ako na triangle, which is the freehole. So, yung x o yung h nito over x, again, consider muna natin yung side ng field. Yung h over x is equivalent to 20 over 250. Okay? 20 over 250. Therefore, h is equivalent to 20x over 250. Okay? So, wala na tayong problema ngayon kay h. Naka-x na siya. Consider naman natin yung cut side. Consider cut. Ito naman kabilang side. So, y over 50 minus x. So, y over 50 minus x, that would be equal to 28.6 over 200. Okay? Or 28.6. 200 ba? 250? 200 lang. Okay? Therefore, y is equal to 28.6 over 200 times 50 minus x. So, in terms of x na rin, pwede na nating i-substitute dito. So, 1/2 ng x, ang h natin is 20x over 250. Okay? That would be equal to 1/2. Our y is 28.6 over 200 times 50 minus x. Ito yung ating y, okay, multiplied by 50 minus x. So, here we can now solve for x. So, our x, shift solve na lang po para mabilis. 1/2 ng x po ito, hindi multiplied 1/2 ng x. Okay? Cancel na natin yung 1/2. Huwag nyo na i-type para makatipid kayo ng time. Pwede nyo na rin i-squared yung 50 minus x. Shift solve tayo. So, mag-assume tayo ng initial distance. Tansyahin ko lang muna ng around 50 less than 50 meters. So, around 20 meters lang yung i-assume ko. Syntax error ako. Why? Shift solve 20. Ayan. Calc pala yung napindot ni sir. So, our x would be 28.6. Let me check that again. Okay, so 28.6 yung x. Therefore, ito ay 28.6. Therefore, yung natitira on the other side would be 50 minus 28.6. You have here 21.4. Okay, 21.4. Ilagay ko na dito. 28.6 tsaka 21.4. Okay, so yan. Right. So, the question is the stationing. Ano ngayon yung magiging station at this point? Okay? So, 5 plus 650 minus 28.6. So, kunin natin yon. Stationing ngayon ng free hall or ng FHD. Limits of FHD. Okay. Doon sa left side ng ating equation, that would be, or ng ating figure, that would be 5,650, tapos aatras daw ako ng 2860. Okay? 5,650 ba? 5,650 minus 28.6. Therefore, para sa left side, that would be 5,650 minus 2860. 5 plus 621.40. Okay? Para naman doon sa right side, that would be 5,650. Ano ba yan? Medyo pagod na si sir. 5,650 plus the distance na 21.4. Okay? Plus 21.4. Saan ba nanggaling si 21.4? Again, 50 minus yung value ng x. Okay? So, for the right side, our limit of freehold rather is 5,650 plus 21.4, 580, 571, 5,671.4. Okay? Or that would be 5 plus 671.4. 5 plus 671.4. Okay? So, ito ngayon yung limits of our freehold. And then, the freehold volume na tinatanong for number 3, yung volume ng freehold is equivalent to, ito na lang, kahit alin dyan, equal naman po yan, 1/2 ng x times h. Okay? So, kunin natin, 1/2 ng x, our x is 28.6 multiplied by h. Ang h natin is 20 over 250 times 28.6. Okay? Therefore, our freehold volume is 1/2 ng 28.6 times 20 over 250 over 28.6. You have here 32.7184 cubic meter. Okay? So, tapos na po tayo. Pwede nyo pong itry na isolve yung overhaul, the volume of barrow, and then the volume of waste. Paano? Since meron ka ng length nito, pwede ka na rin actually mag-similar triangle. Pwede mo nang kunin ito. Okay? Yung volume nito equal sa volume nito. Paano mo kukunin yung volume nito? If this is A and this is B. Okay? So, yung volume nito is 1/2 ng A plus H multiplied by, kung ang length mo dito ay Z1 at ito ay Z2, multiplied by Z1. Okay? So, kunin mo na lang si H, si A. Okay? Makukuha mo naman yan kasi pwede mong kunin ito as this one. Since meron ka na 450 minus, sabihin mong may X na kasi tayo eh. So, W na lang yung width. And then, ito naman yung W mo. Kunin mo muna yung W. Kunin mo si A in terms of W. Okay, makukuha mo na to. Alright, so that would be all for our earthworks. That would be the end of our semester. And hopefully, makapasa tayo at magkita-kita pa sa susunod na semestre. Okay, so maraming salamat. Thank you.